Hello there. Today we're joined by Lindsey from Capital Improvement Projects at Harris County Precinct 4.
Yes.
So tell us how long you've been there in that department.
So as of last month, I've been there 2 years.
2 years. So is this something you went to school for, or do you have a degree in something else?
I have a degree in something else.
Okay.
I went to Texas A&M University. I started out in engineering and then eventually transferred over to English literature and Russian studies.
Oh, interesting. Okay. And now here you are at the county working with capital improvement projects.
Yes.
So tell us what you do in that department.
So I am the agency coordinator. Basically what I do is I reach out to other local entities like the MUDs, the HOAs and things, and see if they want to partner with us on any of our capital improvement projects.
And so MUDs are the utility districts.
Correct.
And then HOAs are the homeowners organizations.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So what goes into building a road? It seems so simple. You just pour some concrete and drive on it, right?
It's a little more complicated than that. There are basically 3 phases. We have our study phase,
Okay.
our design phase, and then construction, which comes last. So in our study phase, we do things like establish the alignment of the road, figure out which way it's going to go. The typical section, is it going to be 5 lanes? Is it going to be a 4-lane boulevard? We look at the drainage mitigation needs. Do we need storm sewers? Do we need roadside ditches? Do we need a detention pond? We determine the right-of-way acquisition needs and if any additional traffic control measures are needed. So if a traffic signal would need to be installed at an intersection, or if we need flashing warning signals at a school.
Okay. So that takes a lot of time to go
It
through
does.
all those steps.
It does. So that phase typically takes anywhere from 12 to 24 months.
Wow.
And then once the study report is approved in Commissioner's Court, we move into the design phase, which takes significantly less time.
Okay.
Because at that point, you're basically just designing the road based on all the recommendations from the study.
Okay. And you talked about like right-of-way acquisition, acquiring that real estate that's going to be taken
Correct.
to expand that road. And you have power lines and water lines. And
Yes.
all these. How do you work with all these different entities together to make this happen?
Well, for utilities, the Harris County Engineering Department actually has their own utility coordination group who goes and contacts AT&T, they contact CenterPoint, they contact the utility districts, tell them we have a project going in, this is where the road's going to be, please relocate your lines so that it's not impacted by our road widening.
So we have a lot of collaboration between government entities,
Correct.
private entities, utility districts.
Yes.
Everybody's working together on this thing.
Yes.
So tell me how your job helps people in real life.
Well, every year, thousands and thousands and thousands of people move to Harris County. They move to Houston for the jobs, for the location, for the schools and these things, and they need a place to get to where they want to go. So it's important that we improve our infrastructure as these people are coming to the county.
So it gets the congestion cleared out.
Correct.
Less time on the road, more time with their families or at work. So you really are improving the quality of life in Harris County.
I believe so, yes.
That's awesome. Well, Lindsey, appreciate you sharing a little bit about what your department does and how it's helping the people of Harris County. Thanks for your time.
All right, thank you.